Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me back. Today we are going to be doing this faux lock bob. If you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as usual, I'm just going to hop straight into the video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. So to start off, I parted the top of her head from ear to ear, and I did individual braids in the front. I did not braid all the way down. And in the back, y'all excuse that big hole in my jogging pants. But I did individual braids in the front, and in the back I just did just standard cornrows going straight to the back, and then I connected them. This was the hair I used, which is the freetress faux lock braid. I believe it was I think it was in 12 inches in the pattern curly, and in the size small. So in the back, you just want to install the braids individually as normal. And y'all, this is my sister-in-law again. Y'all should know her from the previous video that I did on her. But you just want to install the back as normal, and you just gonna, basically install them as normal. Here comes Nyla, as usual. But anywho, just keep watching, and then the front we are going to install those individually. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain this the best way I can. But basically, I installed I looped around the faux lock around her natural hair and then pulled her natural hair through. And I'm just going to take her natural hair and pull it through the dread section by section. I'm going to end up repositioning my hands so you'll see it better. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically you just want to pull the real hair through the dreadlock, and that'll help you hide the natural hair. I'm trying to think of her name. It's a few people I've seen on YouTube that have done. They haven't done this particular style, but they did do individual faux lock installation. You guys, y'all can actually just YouTube it. It's literally all over. But here you go, a better position where you can see it. I'm basically pulling the crochet needle through the dread, latching on her real hair, and just pulling it through section by section. So the front of her hair is individual and the back is crochet. Again, this is not my style. I was inspired by a local hairstylist in the St. Louis, Missouri area. Her IG information is Gates Couture. I believe I'm pronouncing. Is that how you pronounce it? She's dope. I loved how she came up with this idea, and I wanted to try it, and I was finally able to. Y'all, there go Gabby. Yeah, my house is real, okay? I'm not even gonna front. My kids be here. My husband be here. Y'all know y'all can see different people running in and out of the video. This is home. This is basically my life, even including when I'm doing hair. But you guys just keep watching for the remaining of the video. And again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, really quickly before I forget, we used 5 bags of the freetress faux locks, and then in size small, and the pattern is curly. And for the curly hair that we're going to be installing, we use 1 pack of the freetress beach curl. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm just installing freetress beach curl. I believe it's either in 10 or 12 inches. You really don't need it to be extremely long because you are gonna cut it into a bob. Now, I didn't install it any particular way. I was just going throughout her hair and just applying the curly pieces wherever I saw fit, wherever I saw fit. And once I installed the curly hair, then you can cut it as you like. But again, I just installed them in random spots where I felt like it needed it. And then I also went in and found some a number 27 and just applied some random pieces of faux locs there. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the footage of me cutting her hair. Somehow it got lost. But I just cut it into a bob. Sorry about this. Hopefully I'll be able to do this style again soon and show you guys what I did and won't lose the footage for cutting. But now, after I laid her edges down, I just went in, applied some tropical mousse, foaming mousse, and then just to tame the curls. And this is a close-up of how it looked. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day, blessed evening, whatever it is, just be blessed. Bye.